Good morning students. Today I am going to explain Venn diagrams. It is the relationship between two sets can be represented by means of diagrams, which is known as Venn diagram. Okay. So first of all we'll discuss about the universal set. Already you aware of the definition of universal set. That means universal set is nothing but the elements of all sets are present in one sets. Okay, it's nothing but all sets subsets of one set only. It's nothing but any universal set. So for example, if I am taking universal set is denoted by u or mu. U is equals to 1 2 3 so on. I am taking, let us assume a will be all even numbers you take, and b will be I am taking all odd numbers I am taking. Okay, so when you draw the diagram, this one, see here, universal set, this is u, universal set. I am taking a and I am taking b, a b. Okay, here a is nothing but all even numbers, here all odd numbers. So this all belongs to in one set only, that is called universal set. So when you represent these elements in Venn diagram, means like this will write, and whatever the common elements will be right over here, and even or odd there is no common elements, so this will be empty. Okay, so now see here, now we'll discuss operations of sets. So, okay, first I would like to explain union of two sets. What is the union of two sets? See, union can be represented by A union B. If two sets I am assuming A and B, it is denoted by A union B. So it's nothing but A union B is nothing but A or B. It means the elements of A are in B. Whatever the elements of A or the elements of B, that is total, it will become as A union B. A or B, also we can read it as A or B. So when you draw the diagram A or B, see here, this is A, this is B. A or B, full region, A union B. Okay, now intersection. Intersection means, see here, intersection of two sets. Intersection means it is denoted by A intersection B. This is, so we can also read as A and B. Means which is common. The element should be present in A and also in B. Okay. So when you draw the diagram, Venn diagram will be like this. Only intersection part. This is the intersection part. Okay. Now, see here, when you take any small example, you take same example, A union B I am finding. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Union 1, 3, 5, so on. Union is nothing but all the elements should write. All elements will come. If it is common means you write only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. All the elements will come. A union B means. Now, A intersection B. Intersection B is nothing but which are common. In these two, what are the common elements over here? Here all are even numbers, all are odd numbers. So there is no common element. So there is null, empty set. Okay. So when you take elements, you have to do like this. This is a rough Venn diagram. A union B, and this is A intersection B. Okay. Now I am going to explain now complement set. Complement set. Complement set. Complement set means it is denoted by A complement, or we can also denote like A bar also, but in your textbook it will mention only A dash. Okay, no problem. A bar also you can mention. So A complement is nothing but U minus A. Okay, the elements are present in universal set but not in A. Okay, when you draw the diagram, how it will be Venn diagram? See here. This is A if I take, and this is a universal set, and the elements are present in U but not in A, only outside region. Okay, now if I take one example, see here. Universal set, same example I am taking. A is equals to what it is? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Okay, now A complement means U minus A. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus A. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So which are common, you cancel. 2, 4, all even numbers will get cancelled. Whatever the rest of the elements in first set elements only, 1, 3, 5, 7. All numbers minus even number is nothing but odd numbers only. Whatever the rest of the elements in first set, not in second set, only in first set. Okay, that is called universal, that is A complement. Okay, suppose if I am going A minus B, A minus B, how will you draw? See here, and B minus A. See here, A minus B means, see here, this is A, this is B, and this is A, this is B. A, B, A, B. A minus B means the elements are present in A only but not in B. B minus A means the elements are present in B only, not in A. Okay, like this we can represent by using Venn diagram. For example, if I am taking example, take B is odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. I am taking A minus B, you do it. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Now, see here, A minus B means, first of all, you need to see which are common. Is there any common? Even and odd, there is no common. So, no cancellation. So, whatever the elements present in first set. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. A minus B is. If you to go for B minus A, B is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Minus A is 2, 4, 6, so on. So, is there any common in these two sets? There is no common, no cancel. So, only the rest of the elements in first set. First set elements are 1, 3, 5, 7. So, this is how we have to simplify the problems by using values and by using Venn diagram. Okay. Now, I am going to explain now distributive laws. Distributive laws. Okay, distributive laws. One example I am taking, see here, A union B intersection C is A union B intersection A union C. So, sometimes the question will be asked, show that this law by using Venn diagram. See here, very simple. First you take two boxes, separate universal set A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay. Now, first I am going to do the first part. Okay. In this A union B intersection C, first you have to simplify. Draw the Venn diagram of B intersection C. B and C common. I am drawing vertical lines. So, B intersection C will be vertical lines. You have to differentiate which lines represents which region. You have to differentiate that one. And A is there. A you draw full. I am drawing horizontal one. Okay. Now, so now A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. In between these two, combination union is there. Union means full region, total region means which are common and which are one shaded region also. This full region will come. Okay, in this, so this means horizontal will be plus, double shaded are there plus, vertical are there here. Okay, now next. Here I am doing A union B. A union B means here full region. A union B, this is, and A union C. Now you go for vertical lines. Differentiate regions. Vertical lines. Okay, now see here. So first of all I am writing differentiating. A union B means I have drawn horizontal. A union C means I have drawn vertical lines. Now A union B intersection A union C. Now it goes to only C here. In between these two operations we have intersection. Intersection means which are common, which are double shaded. See here. This is double shaded. Intersection means which are common. Union means all the regions will come. So now see here, this one and this one both are same only. This is how we have to simplify the problem by using Venn diagram. Okay. Now I am going to explain De Morgan laws by using Venn diagram. De Morgan laws. See here, A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, now see here, how you will be, first you take two boxes and this is one box. Okay, now A B union, universal set, that is A B universal set. Okay, first what is there in the bracket? First I am drawing this A union B whole complement. A union B is there. First you draw A union B. Okay, A union B I draw. Actually A union B whole complement is nothing but U minus A union B. Already I told you A complement is nothing but U minus A. Okay, now the elements are present in universal set but not in A union B. So you should differentiate. So the elements are present in universal set but not in A. So only what region it will come over here? Only the vertical region, not inside horizontal region. A union B will not be over there. Okay, only this part, vertical part. Okay, now see here. Go for A complement. A complement means, what is A complement? U minus A. So except A, everything will come. Okay, now means this is horizontal. B complement, U minus B. See, except B, everything will come. Okay, vertical. Now A complement intersection B complement. So now see here, what is there in between these two operations? Intersection means which are common. Which are common means double shaded region. Now outside one, see here, this part outside, this full part will come. Double shaded means no need to shade again. I am showing for understanding purpose. Again I am showing this one, which is double shaded region. Now see here double shaded region, here outside region, vertical part, both are same only na. So this is how we have to simplify that De Morgan laws. Okay. Now I would like to give some notations, and you take this and draw the Venn diagrams yourself so that you can understand clearly of this topic. See here, first associative property. A union B union C is equals to A union B union C. A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. Associative law. Okay. Now next one. What it is? A union B is equals to B union A, or A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Commutative law. Okay. Next, distributive law. A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay. A minus B union C is equals to A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection C is equals to A minus B union A minus C. Okay. We can write like this. And De Morgan laws. De Morgan laws. Okay. A complement whole complement is A. Okay. A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B Here union means intersection. If it is intersection, A intersection whole complement means A complement union B complement, like this. Okay. Now these laws you do it by yourself by drawing Venn diagram. Okay. Thank you, children.